parce que tout...
Like life flash before your eyes, touch right through to the soul. Illusions exposed right here on a reel, in a theater, a real occurrence. You're in a box with the top popped open, like the soldiers in a Trojan. Unexpected, one direction, can't go both ways. That's what the Pope say. Every note played in your soundtrack is based around fact, how you get down and act. The end of the cinema, into the darkness. The usher escorts you to your fortune, morphing into the final solution. Might be gruesome dependent on your contribution. Your vision gets clear and translucent, witnessing your own video's revolution. Format more than I asked. The big time, transmit the past, and it's a glance. Here on the reel, in a theater, a real appearance. I'm in a place where the space makes way for wars like Obi-Wan and Vader. Played for a private screening. I've been dreaming, that's what my mind thinks. All my hijinks broadcasted is trapped with my issues and whatever script I choose. Sound is magnified, amplified, forcing the subject, discovering a new adjustment. Something for my understanding, and might be expanded depending on the programming. I spot my ways of abandon, witnessing my own parade on the planet.